Welcome back to Decentralized Chain. It's Feroz here bringing you the latest and most exciting insights from the world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we're not just exploring the potential of Kaspa, a crypto asset that's been making significant waves. We're also answering a burning question. How much Kaspa do you need to become a millionaire by 2025? Intrigued? Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications to stay updated with our current content. Let's dive into this fascinating journey. As we gear up for what could be a massive 2024 for Bitcoin and the entire crypto space, some altcoins like Kaspa are already showing impressive returns. But what's behind this growth? Let's dive in. Kaspa claims to be the world's fastest, open source, decentralized, and fully scalable Layer 1 protocol. Unlike Bitcoin, which uses Nakamoto's consensus, Kaspa adopts the ghost tag mechanism, offering faster transactions with robust security. Now, Kaspa's approach differs from conventional blockchains using a block DAG system for interconnected transactions. This allows for speeds without compromising security, but how does it stack up against Bitcoin and Ethereum? Kaspa addresses the blockchain trilemma, achieving decentralization, scalability, and security. It's a solution that Bitcoin and Ethereum have struggled with. Now, let's delve into Kaspa's potential. Can Kaspa really hit $5? I believe it can, and this is based on a combination of straightforward math and thorough analysis of past and future market cycles. The overall crypto market cap could reach between 5 trillion to 10 trillion in the next bull run. With an anticipated circulating supply of around 24 billion coins by 2025, Kaspa would need a market cap of around 120 billions to reach $5 per coin. Now, comparing this with Cardano's past performance, Kaspa's innovative block DAG technology and fair launch position it for potentially surpassing this. If you're finding this analysis helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Decentralized Chain for more in-depth crypto content. Kaspa, developed by one of the brightest teams, has been a standout as a fair launch crypto project, reaching an all-time high of just over 15 cents and a $3.3 billion market cap, even in a bear market. So this positions Kaspa as a potential major winner in the upcoming bull run. Now, Kaspa's success isn't just about its current achievements, it's about its revolutionary technology. Kaspa has achieved network speeds faster than any other blockchain or block DAG, with 1 block per second on their mainnet, and plans to scale up to 100 BPS. Now, this is groundbreaking. Kaspa's technology, thanks to innovations of Dr. Jonathan Skoplinski and the Kaspa team, is on a mission to match and surpass internet speeds with minimal network latency. And with Dark Knight on the horizon, Kaspa is set to revolutionize the crypto space even further. As a peer-to-peer stateless digital money, Kaspa is fulfilling Satoshi Nakamoto's original vision for Bitcoin with its adoption as a payment currency globally, and the upcoming smart contract implementation. Kaspa is poised to open up an impressive ecosystem for dApps and DeFi. Speaking of developments, Kaspa's roadmap is packed with exciting updates. The upcoming Dark Knight protocol, designed to enhance network conditions for miners, and the integration of smart contracts are set to elevate Kaspa's ecosystem. These achievements are not just technical milestones, they're catalysts for potential price appreciation. As Kaspa evolves and adds these capabilities, it becomes more attractive to investors and users, potentially driving up demand and subsequently its price. This is why we see Kaspa reaching a $120 billion market cap and $5 per coin during the peak of the coming bull market. In fact, it might even surpass $5 during the run. Remember, there is no next Kaspa. It's a unique opportunity in the crypto space. Leading the pack in the crypto space is Kaspa, which has generated a staggering 1,600% ROI and a 17x increase over the past 12 months. Even more impressive is its 77,000% growth since launching in June 2022. or during a bear market. These figures aren't just numbers, they're a testament to Kaspa's resilience and potential in a challenging market environment. Now, let's talk about what everyone wants to know. How much Kaspa do you need to become a millionaire by 2025? Assuming Kaspa hits $5 per coin, you'd need 200,000 Kaspa to have $1 million at the current price of around 15.5 cents. That's an investment of approximately $31,000. This means if Kaspa reaches our target price of $5, your $31,000 could potentially make you a millionaire. Now, Kaspa is not just another crypto project, it's a force in the crypto space. With its potential to reach $120 billion market cap and a $5 coin, Kaspa stands out as a unique and promising player. That's it for today's deep dive into Kaspa. I hope you found this analysis insightful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Decentralized Chain for more crypto insights. Drop your thoughts on Kaspa in the comments below. And until next time, keep an eye out on the crypto space.